Hi everybody from Costa. Just another quick video. I'm located at work, obviously, with all these biology books. But the other day it rained and I had 10 kids absent in every class all day long. 10. And I've noticed this in my career that there's a mindset with some people that when it rains out here in California, they act like it's snowing, like 4 feet of snow. And it's like they don't get it. They're missing another opportunity. Yeah, your feet are going to get a little wet. Put on another pair of shoes, put on a coat, put on a hat, whatever it takes. Get to school, take care of business. That mindset of not going out when the weather's bad, I think it carries over based on what I've seen in how they produce and work in school. They're not very productive. They look for the side entrance soon as, or side exit, I should say, soon as there's a problem. And that's not how you get ahead in life. In fact, you need to go head up with it. So when there's rain, we got to go to work. We got to continue our hustle, put on the right coat, take care of business, and get after it. And that's what I think I'm still around to do this job, is to encourage that type of behavior, to go for it, that a little bit of water isn't going to hurt you. Anyway, I just wanted to share that. And for all of you that get out and go in the bad weather, I appreciate you, love you, mad respect for you. And if you get a chance to help encourage somebody else, do it. I think there's a subscribe button down here, more videos there and there. Hit it, follow it, encourage people to get out. Don't stay in because of bad weather, unless you're going to endanger your life. Obviously, there's parts of the world where, yeah, it's that kind of weather. It's Southern California. It's a little bit of rain. Get out and go. Achieve, do, have that growth mindset. This is Coach Tom Costa. Thanks for listening and watching and sharing this. Have a great day.